Hi, this is John Claman with IntelliFinishing. Today I'm joined by two of my coworkers who have joined the IntelliFinishing team. And we just wanted to let you know a little bit about our team, our roles, and what we're excited about with IntelliFinishing. I'm going to start a little bit. I've been with IntelliFinishing since 2017, and I've been with our parent company, Kasa, since 2015. Let's start with Katie.
Sure.
How long have you been with Kasa and now IntelliFinishing?
So I started in 2015 with our sister company just down the street. I was there for 3 years, I think, before moving over to the Kasa automation controls and automation side, which John will explain a little bit later. We can. So I've been exposed to IntelliFinishing for years and years. So I'm really excited to be a part of the team. This year we're kicking things off, which is good.
And Shawn, tell us about your history with our company.
Yeah, so I've been with IntelliFinishing about a year, still learning, so much to learn there. As far as our parent company, I've been with Kasa since 1993, and I feel like I've done just a little bit about everything in my time with Kasa companies.
And we have a lot of fun together. We also work together on these projects, and we'll continue to do that. What's the most exciting thing to you about coming to the IntelliFinishing side of our business?
I've always been around IntelliFinishing, obviously officing next to you. I get to hear some of the things that you have going on. And it's just really neat to me to see the way that manufacturers are upgrading their systems so that they can plan for longer, for many years ahead, because we can come in and we can build a paint system for their needs now. But it's neat to see what they're planning in the future and then being able to expand on that without having to tear down their line. So I think IntelliFinishing can offer something that's very different than what's out there. And I think people are starting to see and need that sort of a thing.
Great.
So,
Shawn?
Yeah.
What excites you about IntelliFinishing?
It's kind of to piggyback a little bit on what Katie said, but it's to be able to offer these guys a solution that is not available in the rest of the industry. So maybe somebody comes to you that's got a problem and needs some help and needs a way to figure this out, and maybe has limited space or something like that, and we're able to offer them a solution to their problem. So I would say the other thing for me that I kind of enjoy, some of my other roles at Kasa companies is grain and panel build, which has kind of got a territory, and I'm kind of stuck in a spot. And here I get to get out a little bit and see some customers in some other locations and see how people live in other parts of the country and how they do business there. So, yeah.
Well, one of the things I'm excited about with IntelliFinishing is that we've grown and we're doing enough business now that you know, it's really tough for one guy to be the representative, or one person, and so it's really neat to see you guys coming along. We are busting at the seams with projects at the moment, but we can use some more projects. One of the things, wouldn't you agree, that our system offers customers that recipe-driven control by carrier, so they can process a really wide assortment of parts on the same system, instead of different systems for different type parts?
yeah, it's been interesting to, now that I've been in so many different facilities, it's been interesting to see how many people have different systems for different parts they do. And so to think that our approach can take all of that on in one system and save the space, I think people really appreciate that.
Now, if IntelliFinishing were an animal,
Oh my.
what kind of an animal would it be? Go ahead, Katie.
I'm going to toss this one over to Shawn.
Yeah, what kind of animal would it be? That's a really good question. A chameleon, right?
Yeah,
it's
there you go.
able
It's a
to
chameleon.
it is so adaptable and functional that it can move in and out of different spaces and kind of match what it needs to be in that particular spot. So,
Yeah. You know, one of the things that I think is really great about IntelliFinishing is that recently we've had some just humongous projects, and in fact, we'll be doing a video later this year at one of those installations, and it'll be just north of Atlanta, and it's for a major manufacturer of car haulers. So when you're going down the highway and you see these trailers with all the cars on it, this system is powder coating those trailers, and it's 70-foot long carriers, 25,000 pound weight limit, 10-foot wide part window, 14-foot tall part window. May possibly be the largest powder coating system ever built. So we're going to feature that later this year, and I know you guys are going to get a lot of traffic wanting to see that video, and you'll be showing it to a lot of your prospects. So that's going to be fun.
Yeah, that's exciting.
Yeah. With my territory being in Texas, I talk to a lot of trailer manufacturers.
A lot of trailer manufacturers
I
in
think
Texas.
that is going to.
And we do have a trailer manufacturer down there that uses our system as well. The other thing that's really cool is that you'll find as you have prospects who want to talk to our customers. And I've talked to almost all of them at one point or another. And there is not a single customer that we have so far that won't give an overwhelmingly positive response as to their experience with IntelliFinishing and their delight in our system and how reliable it is, durable, flexible, maintenance-free. It's really got it all going on.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. If we were a restaurant, would they be a 5-star?
Oh yeah, we'd be 6-star.
There you go.
Yeah.
So we wouldn't get the Michelin, or we would?
We'd get the Michelin Plus.
Yeah.